Whoa, right out the gate, we've got tension. Notice how the judge asserts control immediately? In courtroom dynamics, that tone sets the stage. It's not just about authority, it's about reminding everyone who's in charge of the room. You can almost feel the air tighten.
These look like these are all,
She had a new officer on her too.
Yes, sir. It was out county, you know. Believe.
huh. You can't. So this whole, the defendant, are you Brittany Thomas?
Yes, sir.
You're charged here with injury to a child. You've been on probation in this court since 2020.
Yes, sir.
I generally read all these, but so the child abuse in this case was recorded on a video and was found circulating on social media.
Yes, sir.
Who videoed it?
Somebody that was in the car with us.
Huh?
Somebody that was in the car. I moved out here with my friend, and somebody that was in the car with us.
Ah, here it is, the viral video. Social media evidence can make or break a case like this. Once footage is public, it's not just the court watching, it's the court of public opinion. Imagine being judged by millions before you ever step into this room.
When I got up to the schoolhouse,
I feel sorry for the child.
it's okay.
You ain't think I was coming up here on your
Thomas is a single mother of 5. The oldest is 20, and she says none of the fathers are around to help. Her 4 youngest, 3 little girls and the 7-year-old boy, are now in CPS custody. That state agency says no parent can spank their child.
So,
I'm gonna fight for my kids. I was wrong.
you were observed hitting the child with a black belt several times. Also, you were observed screaming profanities at.
You can hear the desperation, a mother fighting to keep her family together. But remorse and responsibility are two very different things in the eyes of the court. Viewers, what do you think? Can someone truly fight for their kids after this level of abuse?
The child, calling him the N-word and threatening to break his face in. Continuing to yell profane language at Williams. At the child. How old is the child?
He's 12 at this moment.
I'm not. I'm going to ask somebody else. I don't want to talk to you right now. We're going to talk to you in a minute. You're the defendant in this case. How old was the child and the prosecutor?
I'm not entirely sure, Your Honor. I didn't have this case at the time. I believe he was about 9.
9 years of age. Striking him and yelling profanities, the N-word, threatening to break his face. Weren't you the parent, the role model? That was terrible.
Yes, sir. No.
No, you can speak. Go ahead, but your act.
Boom. That line hits hard. Actions speak louder than words. Judges use phrasing like this not just to scold, but to record moral weight into the official record. It's like saying, this isn't just bad behavior, it's a pattern that defines your character.
Actions speak a lot louder than your words.
Yes, sir. I never said about breaking his face.
So somebody lied about this for no particular reason?
But I did spank him.
It's on video.
I did, and you can listen to the video. I did spank him. I took full responsibility for it. 2019. I went by it the wrong way, yes, sir. But he had no bruises. He was not physically abused, but mentally abused. But I took full control of it. I was very.
I'm sorry. What did you just say about the abuse?
He wasn't physically abused. He was emotionally abused.
You see anything wrong with emotional abuse for a child?
Yes, sir. Yes,
you don't think a child carries that around forever?
Yeah, I've done it. I did. So yes, sir. I took full responsibility for it.
Well, it's what so after you've accepted full responsibility,
Yes, sir.
there's a motion to revoke probation here that has 10 violations. Not 1 or 2 or 3, but 10 violations, Miss. I'm taking responsibility. Let me read this. Oh, are you kidding me? Committed the offense of driving while in
10. Violations. For anyone unfamiliar, that's catastrophic in a probation case. Each violation is a strike, and 10 strikes basically screams to the court, I learned nothing. This is where sympathy starts evaporating, fast.
intoxicated with a child under 15 after mistreating children. You're driving around with a child?
It was 2 children, Your Honor.
2 children.
To be clear.
I'm not taking the deal. No. You don't mistreat children. And then you're about to interrupt me. You're getting a fair opportunity to be heard. But you know what? It's my choices now. It's my choices. I don't have to take a deal. It's up to me. And we're going to have a hearing, and we're going to hear the good and the bad and the ugly about this, all about you. And then I'll get to make a decision, okay? But I'm not going to take 3 years. No, that sounds terrible. That's minimal. You can
Listen to that tone shift, the judge's patience is cracking. This moment right here? That's the courtroom equivalent of I've had enough. Viewers, if you were the judge, would you show leniency or drop the hammer?
You can grimace all day long, but it's minimal for harming a child. Do you understand? That's not tolerated in this room. Do you understand? Mistreating a child. Do you understand? Yes or no? You don't understand. From your life, from your silence, you don't
I
understand.
completely understand, but I have no say so. I thought this was my hearing.
Oh, you got a hearing, but it's up to me to decide. You see, I think what you do is you've gotten into a position with your children, I guess, in your environment where you are in absolute control, which means you can harm children at whim
I can
and be
never- I never harm
and you can interrupt the judge, and you can interrupt the judge at any time.
No.
No, because this, no.
Here's what's going to happen. Here's what's going to happen. I don't take the deal. We're going to have a hearing. When can y'all be ready for a hearing?
Right now.
Our officers are from Houston, so we would ask for just a little bit of time whenever the court is available.
Friday.
I don't think I can get them here by Friday. One of my officers is the captain of the fire department, and he's working 72 hours straight this week.
When can you be ready?
I need at least 3 weeks notice from my firefighter so that he can make arrangements.
To do what?
Go testify.
All right.
What I'm allowed.
You got it.
He did notify us that they were shorthanded over there right now.
You have a reasonable amount of time to get them.
Okay.
And Judge, I did tell the prosecutor that this was going to be a plea so that she could cancel them in enough time.
Okay.
So it's not,
You-
she would have them
it's-
here, I'm sure.
Yeah, this is information I never know about until we get up here. And I'm not accepting a plea. We're going to have a hearing on it. I'll give you 3 weeks.
Okay.
3 separate 3 weeks. That is all.
All right, we'll talk about it.
All right, what's next?
Well, we have
Seldom do you
Mr.
hear too many people minimize harming a child, but the mother, I think.
At least as far as I'm concerned, Judge, we have Mr. Stokes who wants a hearing, and I believe the prosecution is prepared for that.
And just like that, the hearing's over, but the story isn't. In 3 weeks, this defendant faces a full hearing where every choice, every word, and every past mistake will be laid bare. The question is, will accountability finally hit home?